Let's see what you can get in this neighborhood. Milwaukie, Oregon. They're making this brand new subdivision, about 35 homes. We're going to check out this floor plan called Mercer. 2,400 square feet, 4 bedroom, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, and you can see the floor plan. It's better to actually walk in and let's go check it out. So this one is called the Mercer, the floor plan. They have currently about 3 different lots that are going to be finished by January 13th of 2025. The price range is starting at $825,000 up to about $848,000. Right now they have lot 21, 1, and 5 are going to be finished. So you're looking at the kitchen, obvious one. I'm not going to announce every rooms, but what I'm mostly impressed by this builder and is in this subdivision called Copper Heights is that they have one of the biggest lots that I've seen in a long time in brand new homes. Their lots are huge. I mean, you actually get a yard where a decent sized dog can run around, not a like a dog run, and they call it the backyard, which you see some in like Reed's Crossing in Hillsborough. But there are one lot that I saw as big as a 10,000 feet lot. There's a one lot, I forget the lot number. Let me look at the map here. The lot number, I believe 6, is a 10,000 square foot lot, which is just huge. You could put a probably a half size, probably pickleball court. Not that I recommend it because pickleball courts are pretty loud. Anyways, I like the floor plan. They fit in about 4 bedrooms and 1 game room, 1 shared bathroom. The primary suite isn't huge, but why do you need a huge primary suite, right? You just sleep there. I like the floor plan. It flows well, and they actually squeeze in a lot of rooms, like I said, in under 2,400 square feet, which is pretty amazing, actually. Another thing that I liked about this builder and this subdivision is they call it the spec home builder. So what you see is what you get. Is it called a WYSIWYG? So you were looking at the model home. A lot of times when you look at the model home, it can be kind of a little bit deceptive because model homes are typically fully upgraded, and when you go into a different lots, they're not as upgraded. So you get kind of disappointed. But in this case, you get most of this. I mean, you're not going to get the custom paint job and the wallpaper type of things. But when it comes to like finishes, like hardware, molding, a light fixture, that's same as hardware. The flooring, the paint, the workmanship, and then all the details basically are going to be the same. They say the builders claim that because of that, they don't give any kind of discount on price. But I believe there are some incentives. Right now, they're offering $25,000 credit. Now you're looking at the backyard and then the common space with the playground that is privately owned. If you have any questions about this subdivision, please give me a call at 503-515-4499 and I'll share with you which lots are the best in this subdivision and which floor plan is going to fit your need the best, and as well as maximizing the credit and other things that you may not think about when you're buying a brand new home. So please give us a call. Thanks for watching.